Hey everybody, and welcome to this quick tutorial on how to use our web application for this spring fundraiser of ours. It's helping not only our personal ministry but also the Close the Gap initiative. So to get here, just click on any of the links to this video, or you can go to www.tinyurl.com/Beasleys Close the Gap. But to play, you just click here, play the game. And then you'll notice that any of these gray boxes are disabled. That's because somebody else has already gone in and selected them. So what you can do is select any combination of the available blue boxes and select and deselect until your desired pledge amount is where you want it. So say, for the sake of example, you want to give $200, then you can select let's do some quick math here. 44 and 6. There's $200. And then just type in your name and your email address. And then how you heard about this. Maybe you heard about it from Facebook or Instagram or something. And like I said, we have selected some random boxes here that if you pick that amount, then that actually comes with the prize, and we'll be announcing those at the end of the fundraiser. So after that, click contribute, and this little error comes up that says this isn't your gift payment, but to give that payment, just follow this link, and you can give that securely on our Go Ministries website. So click this button here. If it doesn't work, then copy this URL into your browser, but select this and it takes you to, like I said, our secure donation page. Once you're on here, you can select other here and give the amount. It was at $200. You can see right here, and then leave a comment if you want, but then all you have to do is enter in your billing information and the payment details. So we're super excited about this. Hopefully this cleared up some questions that you have regarding our fundraiser. Like we said, if we can get every box selected, that helps us in a big way and also helps a lot of the families at our Go School, over 60 of them, with the tuition costs since they've been hit pretty hard with I can't speak, but I'm not going to record this video again. So they've been affected by the COVID-19 pandemic. So thank you guys so much for helping out with this and participating in this fundraiser, and let us know if you have any further questions.